Welcome, Inventor users, to another I Get It tech tip. In this series, we'll be looking at 120 Autodesk Inventor tips. Number 2. Click, hold, arc, and slot. Did you know that you can create an arc from the line command? To do so, start the line command from the ribbon and create your first line. Now, on the creation of your second line, while the command is still active, click on the start point and drag away while holding the mouse key. Notice that as we drag in the direction away from the endpoint, that we start to create an arc line segment. If we use point alignment, we can also create a slot. And again, we'll select on the endpoint of this line, drag out a distance, and we can select back to our original start point. And we created a slot by using a single line command and never exiting the command. And that's it for number 2, click, hold, arc, and slot. I hope to see you in another tech tip very soon.